What are you babies doing? Bam Bam, are you playing with the babies? One of the mean boys are getting you, aren't they? One of the mean boys are after you. Now you quit, Dad. You don't smell Daddy's pee-pee. You quit it. Go play with Dad. Go play with Dad. Look, he's got socks on you. Get out of the way. Oh, dang it. I need to get my shoes. Come on, you babies. Move. Don't get me. Don't get me. Get me. Is there something you need to do before noon?
Just get ready.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking. I was laying back there, sitting here thinking. I tried to get up on the internet. Oh my. Oh, isn't that cute, them playing like that?
I got a video.
He's a good daddy dog. I gotta get in there too, little girl. So I want some of this action. That's my girl. Yeah. Babies. No, Bam Bam, I don't want you to leave here. No, Bam Bam, I just said no. And then it goes babies. Come on. No. Bam Bam. Don't you grout me. Come on, Bam Bam, get out. Get out. Come on. Get out of there. You babies have no business in there. And neither do you. Come on, you guys move. No, you're not going out with Mom. No.